Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Bedtime Yoga with me, Apurva. This video will help you if you're unable to fall asleep at night, get broken or insufficient sleep, and wake up groggy and unrested. You can do these asanas right before bedtime. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notifications. We start by getting comfortable in bed, lights dimmed, devices away, with minimal distractions as you begin to bring your awareness to your breath and begin to connect your body with your mind. Pay attention to the sound of your breath in your chest as you start to let go and feel a gentle relaxation and allow your body to welcome rest and sleep. Deep breathing will allow you to bring your awareness to the present moment and also decreases stress, increasing calmness and energy. Gently place one palm near your heart and place the other palm under your ribcage as you begin to feel the gentle rise of your diaphragm as you inhale and the fall as you exhale. Diaphragmatic breathing helps connect your body to your mind, helping you relax, lowering blood pressure, melting away stress, encouraging the flow of good oxygen to the body. It is a good idea to keep a bolster and pillow handy for this practice. Let's begin. Place your bolster on the bed as you open your knees on either side of it. Place a pillow on the bolster for a bit of extra height. As we stretch our arms above our heads and fold forward into an assisted child's pose. Resting your chest and belly on the pillow with your knees wide, keeping one ear relaxed on the pillow, eyes closed and belly completely relaxed. Your arms can rest on the sides of the pillow or underneath. Focus your attention on your breathing and enjoy the sensation of your breath flowing in and out. You can also get rid of the pillow to feel a deeper release just by using the bolster underneath your body. Stay for as long as you like in this position as you relax into the posture gently. As you come up, next move your bolster and place it at the back, near the base of your spine. Gently bring the soles of your feet together as in a butterfly pose and lay down on the bolster. Place your hands on the belly with eyes closed and gently relax your jaw. Bring your awareness to the gentle rise and fall of your belly with each slow, deep breath in and out. Next, lying down on the bed, face up with your knees bent, placing the bolster under your back, gently lie down on the bolster. You can use an additional pillow under your neck to support your head. Press your feet into the bed and lift your hips for a gentle before bed bridge pose. There's no need to strain or engage excessively in this pose. You will feel a nice, deep, gentle stretch in your spine. Next, stretch your legs out in front of you and place the bolster on your legs. Stretch your arms up as you lengthen your spine and fold forward to gently rest your chest and belly on the bolster. This restorative forward fold is great to stretch the lower body as well as helping you to relax further as you experience the benefits of this pose. Close your eyes, relax your jaw, and bring your awareness to the gentle rise and fall of your belly with each slow, deep breath in and out. Next, lie down on the bed and exhale to bring your knee in towards your chest as you gently stretch your glutes and hamstrings. You can also stretch out the other leg. Apanasana stretches and eases any tension in the lower back and internally massages your organs. This pose reduces bloating, improves circulation, and rebalances your energies. You can also bring both your knees in towards your chest as you inhale to lift your head up and bring your nose in towards your knees. Exhale to push your knees in towards your chest further. Remember to be very gentle with yourself as you practice this posture. You can repeat this posture for as long as you like. Next, lie flat on the bed with your legs straight out. Place one foot on the opposite knee. Holding that knee with a gentle pressure, let your knee fall to the opposite side. Extend the opposite arm at shoulder level and turn your gaze towards it. With your eyes closed and jaw and belly relaxed, focus on feeling the breath flow all the way right from your extended legs to your fingertips and to the top of your head. Allow your body to stay in this twist for as long as you like. Place your feet wider than hip-width distance and allow your knees to fall to the bed as you feel a deep stretch all along your body. Next, on an exhalation, get your knees up to your chest as we prepare our bodies for happy baby pose. Inhale, grip the sides of your feet with both hands as you open your knees wider than torso width distance and get them in towards your armpits. This posture is excellent for stress relief and also relieves fatigue. It also stretches out your inner thighs and your lower back. The next posture should be avoided if you are suffering from high blood pressure or if you're on your period. For Viparita Karni, make sure to use as many blankets, bolsters and pillows you may feel comfortable with. This assisted inversion allows for a deep relaxation. Place the bolster as close to the wall and bring your hips to rest on the bolster. It may take a little scooting around to get your hips in contact with the wall. Place a blanket or pillow under your neck if you need an extra bit of support. This is a really beautiful and restorative pose and has many benefits. It can relieve tired and cramped feet, gently stretching the back of the legs, front torso, and the neck and shoulders. It can also relieve mild back pain and allows your nervous system to calm down, increasing blood flow and circulation, inducing deep relaxation. Stay here for a few minutes, breathing deeply. You can release the posture by folding your knees into your chest and turning over to your side to come up and enjoy a peaceful, relaxed sleep. I hope you guys like this video. For more such videos, comment below if you've tried these asanas and if they've helped you. As always, thank you for tuning in and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, Namaste.